remember, every Wednesday at 8 o'clock, Chef Ricardo with some special dish, lovely dish. Guys, I'm telling you, do not miss this one this Wednesday at 8 o'clock. I'm going to be on Bentv Sky182. Guys, I'm telling you, you're going to love this one. And remember, you can leave your comments, and also you can sign up on my website at chefricardo.co.uk. And remember, Bentv, Bentv.com, Bentv.com every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. We got some special lovely dish, and it's a nice lovely program. Big up the Caribbean Gateway. We love it. Caribbean Gateway is the best. Right now is the #1 program which is going on right now. If you notice, it launched out all those newspaper everywhere at the moment. Caribbean Gateway. Remember, live on Bentv.com and our Sky182. Caribbean Gateway, your way. Straight from in the Caribbean. Everything while going in the Caribbean, get it live tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. Chef Ricardo and Caribbean Gateway. Who's the chef? Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We love you guys. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And I always say, log on Facebook, also YouTube, Twitter, MySpace. Follow us. Bentv.com.